Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Living Irving. In today's video, I will be doing a crochet hairstyle on this traction alopecia. The braid down that I am using is called the invisible braid down method. I let my daughter braid my hair down. I cannot do this by myself, but these are the epic jumbo braids, and I only use one pack of hair because I don't like a lot of weight on my hair. So there's probably about 60 to 70 braids in here, which is plenty for my hair, and you'll see at the end how full it looks. Now, word of advice, if you have traction alopecia or fine thin hair like myself, then crochet is a great way to go instead of braids. I love doing my own crochet. That way I can control the amount of tension and pulling that's being pulled on my head. I am extremely tender-headed. Now, let me tell you a little story. I had to learn a lesson with this pack of hair. I did buy this at my local beauty supply shop, and I did not wash it. It was on clearance. It was really cheap, and I was wondering why it was on clearance and so cheap. And that's probably because the hair was super old. And let me tell you, honey, after wearing this for about 2 or 3 days, my scalp was itching so bad I could not even sleep at night. And so I went to my girlfriend and I had her look in my scalp, and she's like, your scalp is inflamed, it's red and irritated. And this was the first time ever in my life I've had any form of scalp irritation. So ladies, there are chemicals in this synthetic hair. So please, please, please rinse it out. Maybe soak it in some vinegar overnight. Let it air dry before using this hair. I could not believe it. I had to put triple antibiotic ointment on my scalp for about 2 weeks before it finally went away. And I tell you, any product that I put on my hair after the irritation, it just got worse. So be mindful of that. But this is one of my favorite go-to styles. It's hot, it's summertime, and I do a lot outdoors right now. I'm doing a lot of exercising, trying to get to my goal weight under 200 pounds, and braids is the perfect way to go. I mean, crochet braids. And also, who has time to sit in the salon for 6 or 8 hours getting tight braids put in your hair? Let me tell you, braids destroyed my edges, and I am learning to do hairstyles in moderation, and crochet is the way to go. And I don't do any extra wrapping or anything. These are actually easy for me to just pull out of my head and reuse them. So I get a lot of use out of my crochet braids. So that's another thing that I do love about crochet. But this hairstyle is super easy. Once my daughter braids it down for me, then it takes me about an hour to do this, and I can wear this for about a week. I don't like to leave crochet in for a very long time because I just don't want anything tugging and pulling on my hair that long, and I just take good care of my hair. So yeah, even with thinning edges, ladies, there is a will. If there is a will, there's a way. And yes, I am wearing crochet without putting any extra product or anything on my edges, and you will see in just a second how beautiful this transformation turned out. This pack of hair cost me under $20. It was dirt cheap, and yeah, this is what it's starting to look like. So now I'm just taking my edge brush and just swooping my edges up the little bit that I have around the perimeter of my head to cover up that big huge bald spot, and then just swooping some baby hairs down on both sides. And this just adds a little extra flavor to the hairstyle. I think it looks so cute and sassy and young, and that's what I love about it. I get so many compliments when I wear this. I think it turned out really good for under 20 bucks. Leave me a comment and let me know if you like this crochet hairstyle. I just kind of threw it to the side, and this is kind of how I wear it to try to disguise those bald spots as much as possible. I really don't pull it up, but this is the final look. And thank you guys so much for your love and support and watching my videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.